Hello, before we begin, I would like to do some brief run through on my orientation and the purpose of this lesson plan. I know the IM badge required us to do flashcards, so I did some physical flashcards and then went through and created this interactive PowerPoint to show you how these flashcards will come in play throughout the development of my website. So, to begin, this website is designated specifically for high school students as well as elders in the community, or anybody above the high school age, I should say. Some standards that are brought up in this website come from the Indiana State Department of Education throughout the College of Agriculture, and they have produced these standards, so I will read those to you. The first standard that is demonstrated throughout the website is to differentiate between the major groups of horticultural plants: herbaceous and woody, annual and perennial, temperate and tropical. The second standard: describe the basic functions of plant parts and how plants adapt to the environment. Third, explain the importance of light intensity and duration and the effects on plant growth. Fourth, describe the desired characteristic of an ideal growing medium or soil. 5, evaluate different methods of watering plants and determine the appropriate method for evaluating plants. And finally, 6th, characterize the types of environment involved in horticulture via greenhouse or indoor environments. This website is structured specifically around creating a space for students and adults to actively learn. The motivation behind this is that students and learners will be motivated to interact with the step-by-step module by engaging with each step, videos, and websites being included in the website. Regardless of where their current plant knowledge is, this main YouTube video will help give students a visual representation of plant care. And these YouTube videos and websites, as well as step-by-steps, are included throughout the website. Applications used in the website are YouTube videos, SurveyMonkey, which is present to give students a survey idea of where they are and what questions they may have on posing when doing their step-by-step interactive module. Best Home and Gardens website, Google Form, and of course the use of the website itself through Wix. Evaluations used throughout this are before doing the SurveyMonkey before they begin the website, assessing their current knowledge, throughout their lesson in the website, doing a research-based learning through step-by-step engaging modules, and after creating a plant project or product by following the step-by-step instructions. So, to begin our PowerPoint, I would like to walk you through some main steps. So, the screen here that you see is the first thing that learners see as they enter the website. The basis of this was to keep it simple and easy to navigate. So, as you can see up here, you have the home button, which will show tabs. I will show that briefly. And a Let's Chat. So if customers have any questions or help navigating, they can automatically go to this. The second slide shows the second thing they see scrolling down the page. It shows their steps for watering, light, and seed depth. These are the first 3 steps shown above the previous slide. And these are everything the learner will need to know to have a green thumb. We made these steps easy to see, easy to navigate, and the descriptions behind them are very basic. The next thing we posted underneath the different steps was our story. It was very important that our learners knew the basis behind our website and the purpose we were trying to gain knowledge from. So we added our story here for our consumers to understand a little bit about who we are. Following that, we put our contact information, as well as an email messaging board where our consumers could send us emails with further questions or just to keep in contact to get further information. So, from the home screen, I took a snippet of the corner picture under the home tabs. Students would click on this, and up there it would show the first 6 steps. They could click on the first tab, taking it to this page. Step 1, the plant basics. This shows them the basics they need to know for their plant care. Under this, you have the SurveyMonkey link for students to take their survey. Under that tab, we have the Identify Your Plant tab. In this tab, there includes video links and website links to quizzes for them to identify their plants. This was seen in our second objective, or state standard, where the students had to describe the difference between different horticultural groups. Following the identifying plants, students are to choose their potting soil. This is based off of their plant identification, so that's why we laid this out in this step manner. Following that, students will need the proper seed depth, and shown there is this awesome YouTube video, Top Tips. Clicking on this button will automatically take them to YouTube video to watch them do proper plant depth planting. After that, students will go to step 5, how to water your plants. At the bottom of this link is another interactive application that we added in our flashcards, Better Homes and Gardens How to Water. Students will click on this and it will automatically download a step-by-step instruction and article on how to properly water your plants. This is a great handout for everybody to have, so that's why we made it automatically download onto a laptop or computer, even a phone, as soon as they clicked on the button. Following that is step 6, light. Under this, students also have another interactive module with a YouTube video to properly describe their lighting they need for their plant. That is the end of our slideshow, and I hope this demonstrates proper knowledge between our flashcards and the PowerPoint. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.